Hello students, welcome to Charu's classes. Today we are going to continue from question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. First, minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. अगर हम 1 से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then the number remains the same. So here 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. Another property that can be seen here is A into B is equal to B into A. That is the commutative property of multiplication. Second part, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. So this is like A into B is equal to B into A. This is the commutative property, or also known as commutativity. So commutative property is seen here. Third part, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equal to 1. यहाँ पे एक नंबर है, सपोज माइनस 19 by 29 इज a, तो उसका जो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स है दैट इज 1 by a, minus 19 by 29 is 29 by minus 19. सो एक नंबर को जब हम उसके इन्वर्स या रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं we get 1. So this particular property is the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Question number 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So let's first find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा इसका उल्टा, एंड क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव है तो हम नेगेटिव साइन ऊपर ही रखते हैं. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी, रेसिप्रोकल इज गोइंग टू बी minus 16 by 7. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 6 by 13 with this reciprocal which is minus 16 by 7. This we have to multiply. सो देर इज़ नो कैंसिलेशन, कहीं पे भी ऊपर नीचे कोई भी सेम टेबल में नहीं आ रहा है. सो विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई 6 into minus 16, that is minus 96, and 13 sevens are 91. So the answer here is minus 96 by 91. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into bracket 6 into 4 by 3 as in brackets 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. तो इसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि अगर कोई नंबर है a into b into c, this answer is going to be equal to, अगर हम a into b को ब्रैकेट में लिख के पहले सॉल्व करें and then we multiply it with c. This particular property is the associativity or the associative property. This is the associative property of multiplication. Question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 8? Why or why not? किसी भी नंबर a का multiplicative inverse होता है 1 by a, and उसे अगर उसके multiplicative inverse से multiply करें तो we should always get 1 as the answer. So यहाँ पे let's first check minus 1 by 8. So this, if we solve, 8 ones are 8 plus 1 9. So this is minus 9 by 8. And the question is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of this? यहाँ पे एक negative number है, इसका multiplicative inverse is also going to be negative and it's going to be minus 8 by 9, not 8 by 9. So here the correct answer is 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Why not? So you can always write, because minus 9 by 8 multiplied by 8 by 9, if we multiply we are getting the answer as -1 and not as 1. Question number 9. If 0.3 of the multiplicative is 0.3 a multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3, why or why not? So first let's check 0.3. 0.3 we can write it as 3 by 10. अगर इसे fractions में लिखेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 3 by 10. Now we have to check its multiplicative inverse. 3 by 10 का multiplicative inverse क्या आएगा? It is definitely going to be 10 by 3. Now they are saying, is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? So 3 1 by 3 को check कर लेते हैं. 3 into 3 9 plus 1. This is 10 by 3. And 10 by 3 का multiplicative inverse क्या आएगा? 3 by 10, which is nothing but 0.3. तो यहाँ पे आंसर है yes. 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. If we have to answer why it is so, because you know that 10 by 3, if you multiply it with 3 by 10, you are going to get 1 as the answer. किसी भी नंबर को उसके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वी शुड ऑलवेज गेट 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. राइट फर्स्ट द रैशनल नंबर दैट डज नॉट हैव अ रेसिप्रोकल. इसका आंसर है 0. 0 डज नॉट हैव अ रेसिप्रोकल. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई. 0 को हम लिख सकते हैं 0 by 1. अगर हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल लें या फिर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स लें, that is coming to be 1 by 0, and we know that 1 by 0 is not defined. Since this number is not defined, the 0 does not have any reciprocal. Second part, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Now there are two rational numbers which are equal to their reciprocals. First is 1. 1 का अगर हम रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं तो वो भी 1 आता है. एंड द अदर इज -1. -1 का अगर हम रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं, ये है नंबर -1. सो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? दैट विल बी 1 by -1. और -1 हम नीचे नहीं रखते, माइनस सिंबल ऊपर कर देते हैं. तो नंबर भी -1 है, उसका रेसिप्रोकल भी -1 है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज ऑल्सो अ नंबर विच हैज़ द रेसिप्रोकल इक्वल टू द नंबर इटसेल्फ. थर्ड पार्ट, the rational number that is equal to its negative. So the number जो अपने negative के equal है, that number is 0. बाकी कोई भी number अपने negative के equal नहीं है. This is the only rational number that is equal to its negative. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks. 0 has dash reciprocal. So we already know that 0 has no reciprocal because 1 by 0 is not defined. Second part, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. तो अभी हमने देखा था the numbers 1 and -1, they are their own reciprocals. The reciprocal of -5 is, so this is going to come 1 by -5 and we can shift minus above. So this is -1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 by x where x is not equal to 0. So reciprocal of 1 by x क्या होगा? That is going to be x. The product of two rational numbers is always the answer is rational number. If you take any two rational numbers and you take the product, the answer is always going to be a rational number only. Sixth part, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is, so the reciprocal of a positive rational number is always going to be positive. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.